dog. Money for my brain. Money for my brain. Money for my brain, dog. Money for my brain. Yeah, I mean I say big and bad, the one done. Yeah. Boy, them a do everything for me. The people in the member cartel, them a do everything to try and stop cartel totally. Boy, I mean I know. You know say black people from our world. And we a fight ourselves. Yeah. Nobody now fight against we, we a fight with self. Because when a man a suffer, nobody no pay him no mind in a rasta. Yeah. When a man a suffer, nothing na go on, nobody no see you. But as soon as you start to make a look forward and make a look thing in life, everybody want to do away with you. That's what I say. Just like all them black cartel. They're happy for that. Some of them happy. It's only poor people alone are happy. But the rich man happy. Yeah. That's what I say. But they can't stop getting you. You hear that? Straight. Personality, cloak and dagger. We a sport bank robber. In the weed, we a smoke hot grabber and a down. Lone top shatter.